You have a diagonal crack somewhere in your home. It's probably running off of a door frame, a window frame, and it's causing you stress, worry, maybe even embarrassment. The question you're asking yourself is, what does this crack even mean? What is it telling you about your home? I'm Craig with Anchor Foundation Repair, and I've inspected thousands of homes, repaired thousands of homes as well, and have seen countless cracks just like this. So the crack on this door is running off of the left-hand side. It's about 18 inches long. Might be hard to pick up in the camera, but it extends all the way over to there. That crack indicates there's settlement on this side of the home. You've seen this crack. What do you do next? The best thing is to look for other problems or other signs and symptoms around your home. If you have a crack like this on your door, you'll want to go check that door. So when I come in here, I turn around to close this door, and that's as far as I can get it. You can still see my fingers wiggling outside. I could shove this door and maybe catch it in that jam, but it would ruin the paint and possibly even the door. So if you want to learn more about what that crack means and other signs around your home, check out the link in the description below, and you can take a deep dive on diagonal cracks and so much more.